Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan salad. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We will start with lettuce. We have to take a few leaves and cut them finely, then put them into a bowl. Now it's time for tomatoes. We cut them into small cubes and add to the lettuce. A green cucumber. We also cut it precisely and add to the previous vegetables. Now we add sweet pepper, finely diced. I will use the red one, but green or yellow are also good to use. And of course we add it to the bowl. And an avocado. It is best to use soft, ripe ones. An onion. Even if someone doesn't like the taste of it, finely chopped is barely noticeable. Some mushrooms. We cut them into cubes or use a chopper like I did. Now fermented cucumbers. If you would like to make them by yourself, in the description below you can find a video with recipe. And some soaked sunflower seeds. They have to soak for at least 7-8 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. Also a little of flaxseed oil. And at the end some spices, yeast flakes and non-iodized salt. And it's ready! I like to eat this type of salad with raw vegan bread. Bon appetit!